birthday, kids! Today, we are going to test your ability in multiplying a one-digit by one-digit number in order to build a multiplication table. Are you ready? What is 2 times 5? What is 4 times 5? What is 4 times 6? What is 4 times 7? What is 4 times 8? What is 2 times 6? What is 2 times 7? What is 2 times 8? What is 2 times 9? What is 2 times 10? What is 4 times 10? What is 5 times 1? What is 3 times 9? What is 3 times 5? What is 3 times 6? What is 3 times 7? What is 5 times 4? What is 5 times 5? What is 5 times 6? What is 5 times 7? What is 2 times 2? What is 2 times 3? What is 2 times 4? What is 7 times 9? What is 8 times 2? What is 8 times 3? What is 8 times 4? What is 8 times 5? What is 7 times 1? What is 7 times 2? What is 7 times 3? What is 7 times 4? What is 7 times 5? What is 3 times 8? What is 3 times 2? Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.